everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be making a facial mask. This is a clay based facial mask made with clay and some other vital ingredient. If you're looking to tighten and firm, if you're looking to get rid of excess grease and oil from the skin, if you're looking to shrink those large pores, then this recipe might be for you. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to share the recipe with you, and I'm also going to share some tips on how to get the best result from using this on the skin. Now, the mask we're making today, you can also find one very similar in the Khichibeauty skincare collection on our website, ALESMAXii.com. So if you're interested in purchasing a green tea clay mask, go ahead and visit ALESMAXii.com. If not, then you want to give this one a try at home in the comfort of your kitchen, go ahead and watch the recipe. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. And there you
My first ingredient is going to be clay, and today I'm using white clay. You can use any clay for this recipe: Fuller's Earth, French green clay, pink clay, you name it, once it is clay. And I'm going to put the link in the description where you can get the clay to purchase. Now take a look at my second ingredient, and here I have some matcha powder. Matcha powder is highly concentrated green tea. So we are going to be using 1 tablespoon matcha powder and 2 tablespoons of the white clay. And now I'm going to mix both together. So add your matcha powder to the clay and mix well. Now for this recipe, if you do not have the matcha powder, go ahead, get some dry green tea leaf, blend it to a powder and use it in this recipe. So mixing well. Matcha is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, boosts collagen and elastin in the skin. Clay, white clay, is also rich in minerals, help to tighten and firm the skin, help to get rid of grease and dirt, help to detox the skin, get rid of large pores. So I'm going to use some orange peel powder in this, and this we're using for its high content of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to lighten, brighten and protect the skin while reducing wrinkles and fine lines. I'm using a teaspoon of the orange peel powder, mixing this in the matcha and white clay, and I'm mixing well. Now thoroughly mix all 3 ingredients together. This is going to become an amazing base for our facial mask, rich in vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin E. So this you can make days ahead. You can make enough of this, put it in a Ziploc bag, and whenever you're ready to add your water, you take it out and use it. So now let's mix the liquid. I'm going to be using a 1/2 cup of milk, and today I'm using whole milk. Go ahead, use soy milk, lactate, just use whatever milk you have for this recipe. So 1/4 cup of milk, and milk also contains lactic acid, which help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation. Now I'm going to reach for some honey, another amazing ingredient that is going to help to rejuvenate, revitalizes the skin. So I'm using a teaspoon of honey and I'm mixing this in our milk. So totally dissolving the honey in the milk. Mix and mix well. Milk and honey combined is great to wash your face, especially if you have oily skin, acne prone skin. This is a good combination for that. Now what we're going to do with this milk, we're going to be mixing it in the dry ingredient, and that is why I suggest that you put the dry ingredient aside and add the wet, which is the milk and honey, whenever you are ready to make your facial mask. I'm going to add a little oil in this, and I'm going to use about 1/4 teaspoon or so of the rosehip seed oil. And now I'm going to blend, and I'm going to blend well. Now I'm going to reach for my dry ingredient, and I'm going to pour my liquid in of milk and honey, and I'm gonna slowly mix. You're gonna pour this a little at a time. So mix, and this is gonna take a while, about 2 to 3 minutes or so. Then I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna pour some more in. And now I'm going to pour the final amount of liquid in the mixture, and we are going to stir. It's good to gradually add the liquid than to pour all at once. That way, if you have to leave back some of the liquid, you will be able to do so. So mix and mix well. And take a look. You can see how nice and creamy this is looking. Amazing. Just keep mixing, and if you need a little more liquid, don't be afraid to go and pour a little more in. So mix and mix well. So for those of you who are watching, if you prefer to make your own mask, go ahead and make the green tea mask as I show you here, or you can choose to opt into our store ALESMAXii.com and select our green tea matcha facial mask. Now this mask is rich in antioxidant, vitamins and minerals that is great for the skin topically. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna pour it in a small jar. Using a good mask that is rich in antioxidant on the skin at least 2 to 3 times a week is great for the skin. Whether you have dry skin, whether you have oily skin, normal skin, it doesn't matter. It's good to extract the dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. If you have a lot of open pores. Now if you struggle with large open pores and you're looking for something to clean them out, something just to put your face back as you would like it to be, then try our green tea mask. This leaves the skin smooth, this leaves the skin soft, and this leaves the skin totally lifted. Now once this is done, take a look. Here we have our facial mask, our green tea facial mask. A mask that is good to use 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Go ahead, give it a try, whip it up, or as I said, our green tea mask is pretty similar to this. So if you do not feel like making it, hop on over to ALESMAXii.com and purchase your mask.
And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and don't forget to leave your comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.